They're the happiest things.
It's weird. They're white under and they're black on top.
Do you know why that is?
Oh, so if there's any predators or like things they want to catch, like
They camouflage, aren't they?
Charlie? No. This is ice pebble.
It's ice. You made it.
Oh, Max is so easy.
He's only 6, mate.
No, I'm not. Crazy.
Yeah, that's cool, isn't it?
Yeah. Wow, it's amazing.
But
Down,
put it up.
up. It can't go up.
Okay, we just push it in and flick it shut.
That shut.
Turn it around.
Oh.
80 degrees. Now flick it up.
Like this.
Yeah, that's it.
We're going on the shore to find some wildlife. 70 seconds. Which way do we go?
1, 2, 3. No fear. Woo!
What do you have most of the cameras?
I don't.
Oh.
So, what are you going to do, Joe?
Boat.
Here comes the crew.
I gotta get down. Hi.
Remember to turn around like a ladder, mate.
Just imagine you're going backwards. I'm ready to take off my shoes again.
Okay.
Many people in the caves we've been in. This is cool. How do you think this is made, even the holes?
It's by the erosion, mate. The rocks fall out, the big rocks fall out, and then
Then
it
it's
just
all,
get weathered. It's like honeycomb, isn't it?
yeah.
Beautiful.
And these are good seeds, they're strong. This is gold. There's just a few cracks.
We can see base camp 1 from here. Turn around and face the rock when you're in a section like that. Sure.
Now it's getting hard for me.
Yeah, well, just wait for me if you want. No, you're good. You can do it. Just be super careful. Do you want to wait for me?
I can do it.
Pull your sleeves up, mate. You can't grab with your sleeve like that.
Yeah, that's what I hate about this t-shirt. It's too long.
Good boy. Good ledge coming. You got it, mate. You're a legend, mate.
Is it?
Can you go through that hole?
No.
do you think of this place?